Hi friends, here I'll be teaching you guys how to add HTML code to Elementor in the WordPress website. This is essential for advanced customization and embedding third-party scripts. So, without further ado, let's dive into this Elementor HTML widget tutorial. The cool thing about this widget or element that you can add to your website is that you can have it highly personalized and custom-made. This way, you guys are able to properly embed third-party elements or insert complex features like images, maybe something like custom-styled sign-up forms, or even surveys on your website that'll help track info about our customers or the people who visit our website. This is the perfect way to add features not available in standard Elementor widgets. Step 1. Accessing the Elementor editor. As an example, as you guys can see here, I have set the Elementor page as homepage, and here I am, on the homepage of PMN TechFix. To start, you first want to go to your WordPress dashboard and make sure that you're logged in as an administrator. Here's what the dashboard looks like. The idea here is we want to get access to the Elementor site editor. There are a couple of ways to get there. Click on the Pages section and select Edit with Elementor on the page you wish to modify. The easiest way is usually by selecting the page or template and clicking the Edit with Elementor button. You'll be taken to the Elementor editing screen. Step 2. Adding the custom HTML widget. Here is where you'll be able to add the custom HTML codes. Navigate to the Elementor widget panel on the left. If I were to type down HTML under widgets on the search bar, you'll see the HTML widget right here. It usually has a underscore icon. Now you can customize this or drag it somewhere. Drag and drop the HTML widget to wherever you want to add the code on the website. Step 3. Pasting the embed code. Let's say that I want to add a widget or a box here for the custom HTML. So here we are. All we have to paste here is an embed code. Since I already have the survey, this is the survey for it. I copied the code for it and pasted it here, and this is how it turns out. Let's do a random one for an example. Let's do a cool GIF from Imgur. So let me look for one real quick. Okay, so here we are. If we're going to select any GIF right here, let's do this one. The idea here is you want to get the embed code for this one. To do so, you'd want to look for the embed or share option. Copy the code link, and then we're going to head back to the site editor, like so. You'll see right away that it actually embeds the image or any custom HTML onto your WordPress website. It's honestly that simple. From here, you just want to hit Update or Save in the Elementor panel, and you guys are done. That's how to insert custom code in Elementor. If this video helped, then please like and subscribe.